So for meetings, we can be able to add in a new meeting. We can create meeting for this particular contact when they are coming in into our Zoho CRM account. So we can create a new meeting and we can name this meeting, and we can also add in a location, whether it is online or whether it is um, the client location or in our office. So if you are picking online, you will need to add in a meeting provider. So we have Zoho as Zoho meetings, which you can use to schedule all of your meetings. And when you click on OK, you can then integrate your Zoho meetings. So Zoho meeting has been enabled, and when I go back, let me go back to my page. And when I try to create a new meeting again, and when I click on online, it has automatically added Zoho meeting. And that is because I am using a Zoho one account. If you are using a Zoho CRM account only, you might have to consider um, maybe like Zoom, or yeah, Zoom should help, or Google Meet. You can use any of that. And also, since I've already connected Zoom meeting, this has been added, and I can say that the meeting is going to be tomorrow, which is 25th, and we can say it is going to be from 1 p.m. down to 2 p.m. And the host of this meeting is going to be Emma Glory. If you have multiple users in your CRM, you can just add in another user. And also you can add in the participants, and for the participants we want to add in different contacts into this participant. So we can say we want to have this meeting um with someone, and you can just add in the contact. You can add in a contact, you can add in a lead, or you can even add in a user if you want. You can search for the particular contact you want to have this meeting with. So let's say we're having this meeting with Emma. So I'm just going to add in this contact in here, and as you can see, it has been selected. And you can also invite other people by adding their email address in here and just adding a comma to that email address. So when you're doing, you click on done, and that has been added. And as you can see, we have the related to you can add in, if it is account, you can add in the accounts they are related to. You can also add in, so you can add in an account if you want any account that this contact is related to. You can also add in the company name. You can add in the participant reminder. Maybe you want to remind them 30 minutes before the meeting, and you can even add more details like the description, the reminder also if you want. And when you're done, you click on save. And when you click on save, that meeting is going to be created, and it is going to ask you if you want to send an invitation to guests. So if you are using something like Calendly, you do not need to use Calendly when you have Zoho CRM, although you can connect Calendly with Zoho CRM, but it is easier this way to have everything in one place. So you can decide to send the invitation to all of the participants, and the new meeting is going to be created. And as you can see, this meeting has been created, and we can decide to send an email to this particular person. So now the email has been sent for me to um, the email to the meeting has been sent to my email, and I can click on that email. Okay, so this is the email that has been sent to me, and as you can see, I have been invited from Zoho CRM, and the date of the meeting is 25th of November, and I can decide to add in yes. And when I decide to add in yes, it is going to update my calendar with this event, and I've accepted this meeting. So when I go back into Zoho CRM, you are going to see that it is going to move from invited to accepted. That is because I have accepted to attend this meeting. So as you can see, it is already in accepted already. And if it is declined also, you are going to see it here that this person has declined. And if it is maybe also, you are going to see that if it is maybe, you are going to see that. And if they give you no reply also, you are going to see that no reply has been given. So that is for meetings. And like I said, the meetings is going to help you to be able to connect with your leads and your contacts, and just so you are able to have everything in Zoho CRM. So instead of the lead coming in into Zoho CRM and start creating a meeting in Zoom, which is going to be a lot of processes, you can just have everything in Zoho CRM.
If you are using Zoho CRM and it still feels overwhelming, there are some parts you do not understand, there are some challenges you are facing, or there are some problems you are trying to overcome in your Zoho CRM account, you can book a free discovery call in the link in the description below, and we are going to help you look at everything you are having issues with, or every challenges you are facing in your Zoho CRM account, and we are going to help you solve every one of them. And also remember that we only have 10 slots per month for our discovery call, for the free discovery call. So book yours before it runs out. And also do not forget to like this video, and also share this video to every Zoho CRM users you have out there, and also subscribe to this channel, because that will go a long way to helping this channel. Thank you so much guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.